Hello and welcome to ED 583. The course is titled The Education of Adults from a Developmental Perspective, which is a mouthful, but essentially we will be studying adult learning theories this semester, and we will also be discovering some information about yourselves as an adult educator. I want to give you a brief overview of the layout of my Canvas course and also let you know where you can find the syllabus. So the easiest way to begin from your home page is to scroll down and click for the modules. You can also get to modules on your sidebar here. So in modules, you will find all of the information you need in a given module. Those are typically 2-week sessions. One of your modules is a 3-week session to allow for some more assignment work during that time. And this Welcome to Class module will never go away. This will always be here. The way to navigate through a module is by clicking into the first item in your module, and then once you scroll down through all of it, you would hit the next button. So you should never have to navigate away from this page. I will let you browse the syllabus more at your leisure. However, I just want to point out a few things on here that are not necessarily anywhere else on the Canvas course. So the first is that there are rubrics listed here for each of the assignments. So we have online discussion forum rubrics. I then have a rubric for your reflection paper. There's an adult educator interview and presentation assignment that I will share more about as the weeks come along, but this presentation has a rubric as well, and the final personal philosophy statement. I'm still editing a few things. I see a couple things that are incorrect on the syllabus now, so I will update that as we go through the semester, but please contact me if you have any questions or see any mistakes on your own. Finally, I do include what I think could be a helpful overview of the schedule at the end here. I like to print this out personally and hang it up for myself. You are welcome to do that, or you can choose to use your own system. Once you are have gone through the module for the week, you can always click directly into what you'd like to do. So we do have the discussions available for you on the sidebar, the assignments, and then you will also be able to see the grades only for the assignments which have been published at this time. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. In fact, to test whether you have watched this video, once you have watched this, please send me a message through the Canvas system. You go to your inbox and you can send a message to me just confirming that you have watched this, and you can let me know if you see any errors. Thank you and welcome.